They're all coming over, look, they want some food.
Probably haven't got anything.
Sorry, I haven't got anything.
Could have had loads of toast and walk it all over.
Hello?
Haven't got nothing. Certainly can't walk round it though, isn't it?
Be a nice walk all the way round, wouldn't it? Let's go back on yourself. What's this? Rhuddlan Nature Reserve?
Yeah.
First time we've been here. And everybody wants feeding by the looks of it. But we didn't realise what was going to be here. So we got no food. Sorry.
We've got a baby.
He's got a baby, yeah. Well, they all look pretty well fed.
I should imagine they are. Just being greedy.
So anyway, while we're here, Tuesday 31st
This one comes to horrible.
of January. I've
green one?
given you the crappy green wine gums.
God.
We've had our breakfast this morning, slept fairly well last night. And we thought we'd just see what was in the area, and we came across this nature reserve. And had we known, we would have brought some food with us. Sorry. We've got some activities planned today.
I'll be doing them.
Paul will be doing them. I'll just see if it's going to be busy or not, because I don't like too many people around. So it's archery and rifle? No, not rifle. I always get that wrong, don't I?
Crossbow.
Crossbow. Crossbow. Rifle and crossbow. No, archery and crossbow. Still getting it wrong. It's our second day here and our first full day. His head's gone. Where's his head gone? Here it is. Tennis ball there. So yeah, we'll see what else today brings. The weather should be alright. It's meant to be overcast today, but that's how pretty it looks at the moment. And we'll know to come back with some food next time. Hey chaps? Very detailed. There's Rhuddlan Castle in the distance there. We did actually go over there, but it's not open till March, so you can't walk around it at the moment. So we'll leave that until next time probably, or another time. I lost you. Where did you go? Where did you go? Just been mooching around. There's not much down there though, is there? Yeah. Loads. What's down there then?
Another little pond.
Another little pond?
You can walk all the way up there and then walk all the way back.
Oh, can you?
Yeah.
Oh, well, I went over there because the castle's over there. So I just had a look at the castle.
But you can't get in though?
No. No, it's only from across the lake. Look at that sky, it's beautiful.
You reckon?
Yes, I do. Very quaint. Very quaint. No birds on there though.
It's a bit boggy.
Eh?
It's a bit boggy. All I can see is my reflection.
Dragonflies and damselflies. I don't think we're in the right season for them, do you? Loads of niches and gnats around though. But it's still very pretty. Didn't look this big from the other side of the pond. That's huge. It's probably the actual wingspan of a swan or something. And up there is just where we were standing. Lovely area. You know the sun's coming out.